Hi guys, it's Paul here from Muscle Car UK here down in sunny South Coast. What have we got here today is something that I don't think you can get more muscle than this, to be truthful. It's a road going car. Dodge Viper GT V10. Yes, V10. 10 cylinders are throbbing away underneath here. Fantastic car, it really is. This car was first bought by DJ Pitbull, who, for those who know, and I've got to be honest, I'm not really in the know, he's a very famous DJ, and inside there's a badge saying that he designed it the way he wanted it. It was white with the blue stripes, but the last owner decided he loved this colour particularly and wanted it done wrapped. Now, there are different wrapping and cost of wraps, and this has been done literally. If you undo all the doors, all in the door shuts, all the panels came off that could, and it literally, you won't find any white anywhere. So it really has been done superbly and would have cost a small fortune, no doubt. Now this car's got a few of the packs already put on it. So it's not just your standard GT. It's got the GTS bonnet, for example. And if you look down here, you can see the start of the carbon pack that it has, the exterior carbon pack. So it's got certain air ducts, splitters, and we do have the lower splitter for it as well in carbon fibre, but to be honest, where we are, we've got too many speed bumps, so that's staying off the car for the moment. But if you were to want to take it for track days or whatever else and you wanted that on, it's quite an easy fix to put on. It's also got the upgraded wheels on this, which are slightly bigger. I think these are 18s on the front and 19s on the back. Now these were a matte finish wheel, which were an extra in this day. And also you've got these Viper brakes, which are Brembo upgrades, with a huge brake disc inside, because that V10 engine takes some stopping, and you've got fabulous brake setup, which looks stunning in the red, I think, because it really does show well. But if you look down this car, I mean, the way it's designed is absolutely stunning. This car was sort of, they named it the Cobra of its day, so it took over from the Cobra, and quite rightly so, because very powerful sports car. This obviously has all the modern technology as opposed to the Cobras, but what a fantastic car this is to drive. It's absolutely superb. So when you come down the side of it, you've got some beautiful, obviously an air duct that goes in here, which is to get the heat away from the engine. Beautifully done and sculptured, just stunning all the way. And the way that it comes through the door here, and as you can see, comes down the sides. The door handle is sunk in, so you can literally push it down like that to undo the door. But coming on again, you're seeing real carbon fibre here. You know, it was part of when it was new. It's got the Viper gas tank there. And then obviously it's had the rear spoiler fitted to it. Again, carbon fibre. At the back here, we have all the carbon fibre exterior package shown. Rear splitter down here, all in this beautiful carbon fibre. The back fascia in carbon fibre with this number plate, which can be bought for a little bit extra. Fantastic number, HISA. When you've got the Viper badge just here, just underneath that, just looks fantastic. Really great thing to have. So this car is absolutely stunning, as you'd imagine, and drives like nothing else. It just really is a powerful car. Now they're not building these anymore. They're not going to come into the country. They've stopped building them in the States, so these are getting rarer and rarer, especially in the UK. There are a few on the continent, and this may even go to the continent. So if you're watching our videos in Germany or France or whatever, we're only a short trip away, and you fancy it, come and have a test drive and we can get it to you. That's not a problem. But beautifully done, and we'll have a quick look inside, because it's got interior upgrade as well. So let's have a look inside. Well, if you had any doubt whether this is a race car, once you actually look inside here, it really is like sitting in a thunder car of some sort. It's beautiful. It's had an upgrade with the carbon fibre package. So you'll actually see around the dashboard here, again, the carbon fibre goes throughout it. And it also had an upgrade on these seats. They're both got sort of 6-way electric motors in them. They've got the leather on them as well as the Alcantara, and really comfortable position to sit in. Of course, you would imagine this car has got all the extras that one would want: air conditioning, 6-speed manual gearbox, all the safety extras as one would have in the car. So it's very snug, very tight, but really in lovely condition. I don't know if you can see on the dashboard, Grant, you can see designed by Pitbull. There's a little badge here, and this shows that it was his car, and evidently when they were building them, this car had this put onto it. So evidently if a superstar took one of these cars, they would have one of these badges put onto the interior, so that remains with it, of course. But a lovely seating position to drive in, and you really do feel at one with this car. It's quite amazing. But let's have a look underneath the bonnet and see where all the action is. Look at the size of this GTS bonnet. It's absolutely massive when it comes up. And look at that. I mean, if your blood pumps petrol, then this sort of thing really does get you going. V10, absolutely stunning. And you can see all carbon fibre. So it's made for lightweight. Again, everything in here as you would expect. Again, please note, you know, the way it's been wrapped, it's all been wrapped beautifully. There's no white showing anywhere, so it really is a fabulous car. Now this car has had its C.P.U upgraded, so that's been done, which gives it about another 50 brake horsepower. It's also got the specialist exhaust on it, which evidently gives a similar 50 brake horsepower upgrade. So these were standard at about 640 brake horse. So with those couple of extras, you're looking over at 7.25, something like that. So you've got plenty of oomph in this, and it really has an amazing torque. It just goes on and on and on in these gears, and just, you know, flies. And it really is a special car, as you would imagine for one of these. But there's not going to be many of these left, so if you're in the market, now's the time to buy one, because now they're not bringing them in anymore. The prices are only going to go one way. So come down, bring your test pilot outfit, and come and have a bit of fun.